Well, good morning. We're out and about again. We're going for another get lost walk today, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Different direction.
Yeah. So it most probably be quite boring, but who knows? You never know what we're going to find. So if we see anything really good, we'll... Oh dear, lost Susie. She's disappeared.
You just cut me out.
I cut you out. Sorry, mate. We'll get the old GoPro out again and show you what we can see. I don't know whether you can hear this, but it's I'm not sure whether they're toads or frogs. I can see some little frogs, but they must be quite big froggies to make that amount of noise. It could be the toads, I don't know. If you know, leave us a comment. Yeah, the frogs over there. Yeah. It's a bit of a weird, it's a rocky riverbed, that's the word I was looking for, so well done.
There is that little dribble there.
Yeah, it is a dribble as well.
Yeah, that was dribbling a couple of days ago when we came down, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think there's little dribbles coming in everywhere.
Yeah. I'm presuming it's been pretty dry here for a while, except the other day when it really poured rain.
Yeah. I think they have sort of heavy thunderstorms and then it clears up and everything disappears.
Yeah. So that's where we're going, up there. We turn off in a little bit.
Yeah,
we went straight on last time to Vallon, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
So, it sounds like a French person there, Vallon. So yeah, here we go. Durin and the whatever. Oh dear.
Like
croissant.
Croissant, yeah, croissant.
Ding ding. They don't ring bells over here to tell you that they're coming up behind you.
In some places they ring a lot, don't they? Yeah. Austria, Italy.
Yeah, they were fine.
Yeah. Here?
No.
No.
It's not possible to ring my bell. I have no time to ring my bell. Like a fluent speaking Frenchman.
Absolutely.
Isn't it? So yeah. So that's the way we've come. That's the way we're going. Okay, lots of trees and...
Nice tarmac path.
It is, yeah.
To walk.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good walk. Right, we'll turn you off again now because you're boring me. I don't know whether you can see right over there with the stick-up aerials in the distance, whatever it is. But that's where we were yesterday.
Yeah, just at the base of that little bit.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's where we were yesterday.
So we're coming the opposite direction today.
Yeah.
Still up a hill.
Yes, we're still climbing.
Yeah.
When they told us it was flat.
We flattened out and then we climbed a little bit and then we just sort of
it's
bit of both, isn't it?
It's up and down.
Up and down, but very pretty.
Yeah.
And our tarmac's changed to stones, but it's still okay.
Yeah. Oh, there's a flat bit, Sue.
Yeah, that's
look,
somebody's lawn.
It's Lincolnshire. Yeah, they've had to remove a few cobbles off that grass, look.
Yeah, they've built a wall with it, so they've done something reasonable, not just dumped it. Yeah, all the way round, isn't
That
it?
must have taken a lot of clearing.
Yeah.
Most probably with a digger. And lorries and lorries and lorries of decent soil. It's not horrid.
No, it's lovely. The water drains away quick.
Yeah, there's no choice. More people on push bikes. Yeah. Little tracks everywhere, isn't there?
Yep.
Oh wait, we're going downhill now, so
I mean, we're going to have to go back up.
I know. Anyway, so far so good. Right, well we've just made it to the other end of the walk. Fairly fierce, wasn't it?
Yeah, in places.
We just made it to the yeah, Vallon-Pont-d'Arc 7, Ruoms 1.3. So we're going this way.
Right, well it says Ruoms cycling 0.3.
They're making up as they go along, aren't they?
Yes, so maybe there's a cycle around. That's what I was thinking.
Right, so we'll cross over and at a place called Ruoms.